Hi everyone, it's a new video and this one is a moving to uni vlog, so stay tuned for all the process of moving, the stress involved and everything basically, and I'll show you my uni room at the end of the entire video. So the process of moving from home to my new home, I guess. My room is looking so bare at the moment, like my bed is looking bare, like my walls, everything. Apart from my ballet canvas in the background there. It's just a bit sad really, packing up all my stuff. It's exciting too, and I'm very excited to move, to be honest. So yay, it's all well and good. Look who came to see me! Hello! Remember FA? We did some videos together. Go subscribe. Wait, it's Hi, it's FA now, isn't it? Hi, it's FA. Here? Here? Yeah.
Oh, Lucy's off to uni tomorrow.
I know.
I can't believe it. I'm actually jealous. Like, I start so late. Not too late.
It's mad, because like she's only up the road from me, so.
Innit? Oh,
yeah. We'll probably have some videos coming soon. Definitely.
We're going out. Uni's gonna be a motive. Lucy, don't move mad. I'll be watching you. But good luck.
Oh, love you.
Make friends. Love you.
Love you too.
I'll see you anyway.
Exactly. To anyone watching this video who has moved out or just moved house, I salute you, because this is probably the most stressful thing I've ever experienced, and I'm not exaggerating. It is so stressful, the amount of things you have to remember to take, the list just goes on and on. I don't know how people do it, but it happens and we get through it, and I really hope it just goes smoothly. Oh my god, my suitcase won't shut. This massive suitcase is full of all my clothes. So yeah, we're about to pack all the things into the car. We've got a few things in there already. So this is the try and fit as much as you can in the car challenge. Okay, it's later on now and we've finished the majority of the big packing. The only thing that's left is, well, first of all, my room looks very bare indeed. Just very bare. So yeah, I need to pack my makeup stuff and my jewellery box, and just that's pretty much it. It's just mad, but I'm going to uni. My best friend Marta, who I've known since year 7 in secondary school, is coming over tomorrow morning to wave me off and say our last goodbyes. I feel like tomorrow is going to be very emotional. Here she is! Oh no, it's running out of battery. She's upset.
I told you.
Oh
no. Do you know what? I wore waterproof mascara because I was like, oh, I'm going to cry. So, yeah.
Oh,
child, I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you. Bye.
Bye, child. Take your stuff.
I'll miss you.
Miss you. I'll send it to you as well.
The house.
Oh yeah, because I'm living here now.
Bye, Martha. It's lovely living here.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
There's a horse in the flipping road. There's a... Oh my god!
Slow it right down.
Okay, what do we do in this situation? So the room's looking very, a bit chaotic at the moment, but I'm just gonna unload everything, sort everything out, and get unpacked. I managed to make bed. I'm gonna put these cushions on, make it, you know, a bit more cozy. See, already that looks so much better. Yeah, we're getting some progress in. I've sorted out all my clothes. I've still got to do quite a lot more and sort out the kitchen stuff. So I'm gonna sort out all the kitchen stuff and put them into the cupboards and the fridge over there and sort this bag out. I think this is just full of saucepans and stuff. But it's so weird, there's no one else here, so it feels like I've got my own flat, but that won't be for long. this lighting in here? It's been a very long day. I just can't believe it. I'm here, like with all my stuff on the shelves. It doesn't seem real. It doesn't seem like it's all, you know, like mine. But I am so happy. I'm so excited to get to know the area.
We can talk about